Andy, can you explain to the folks a little bit about title insurance?
I sure can, Guy. Title insurance is really just to protect two people. Now, there's two types of title insurance, one for the lender, one for the homeowner. Now, to get a loan, all lenders are going to require to have lender's title insurance because that's going to protect the lender against any liens that may surface in the future. Owner's title insurance owner does not have, but you and I strongly recommend that they buy an owner's insurance policy for the same protection that the lender's looking for. Any prospective liens, coming up against that property in the future. And it's not really that expensive. I think it's a very inexpensive insurance policy for an owner to have as the owner's title insurance policy.
And I understand there's a difference in the cost of this insurance between Ohio properties and Indiana properties. Is that correct?
That's correct. Ohio is typically $4 per thousand of loan. Indiana is $2.75 per thousand of loan.
Okay. Okay. Is there any particular reason that Indiana is more reasonable?
I honestly do not know that, Guy.
Okay. and that's fair enough. I just thought it might be,
And one other thing I might mention too is it's cheaper, or like I said, it's more affordable, I guess, if you get both policies. And I'm going to give you an example. If you get the lender's policy, you're going to pay the $4 per thousand in Ohio, or the $2.75 per thousand in Indiana. I'm sorry. Now, if you also get an owner's policy, you're going to pay the owner's policy rate, and if you get it issued simultaneous with the lender's policy, then the lender's policy drops to $100. So if you had a $100,000 home in Ohio, you'd pay $400 for the lender's policy. But if you also had a simultaneous owner's policy issued, the cost of the lender's policy drops to $100.
Okay.
So it's really, makes sense for an owner to get a policy because of the cost, being driven down when you get them simultaneously. So that's why I highly recommend it's cheap insurance as far as I'm concerned for your biggest investment.
Absolutely.
So,
okay, great. That's interesting.